Hazards in the workplace are a fact of life. No matter what you do, there's the need for personal protective equipment on many of the jobs you perform. Health hazards, eye hazards, noise, and chemicals. Whether or not you use personal protective equipment is really up to you. If you choose not to, your attitude may be the biggest hazard of all. Personal protective equipment is one of the best ways to protect your own health and safety. Earplugs or earmuffs can go a long way to avoid hearing loss. Adjust your muffs so they're comfortable and don't squeeze your ears. Disposable earplugs must be clean and fitted properly. Never insert dirty earplugs or use dirty hands when putting the plugs in your ears. Safety glasses provide eye protection from flying chips, debris, and other eye hazards. Goggles protect your eyes from chemical splashes, and face shields are a safeguard when worn over other protective eyewear, such as safety glasses. Handy-dandy straps connected to your safety glasses keep them from falling off your nose, or connected around your neck when safety glasses are not necessary. Gloves protect your hands from chemicals, rough or sharp parts, and a wide range of skin protection. Respirators can protect you against a wide variety of dusts, fumes, gases, vapors, and many other health hazards. One of the most misused respirators in the industry is the dust mask. It's designed only for certain types of dust, but many people believe it's good for any type of hazard. A dust mask cannot be used for spray painting or other types of vapors. Each specific hazard must have the proper respirator that provides protection for that hazard. Proper fitting of respiratory equipment and the wearing of equipment as it was intended is equally important. The old standby. Hard hats protect your head from low-hanging or falling objects. Wear hard hats as they were intended to be worn and never make modifications to your hat, such as drilling air holes in the sides. Each hat is engineered for impacts, and if you modify the hat, you could damage the hat to such a degree where the hat will not afford the designed protection. Boots and shoes are good personal protective equipment. Even if your job doesn't require steel-toed safety shoes, leather-topped shoes can provide a degree of protection from chemical splashes, petroleum products, and small cuts, bruises, and abrasions. Your shoes should be in good condition, and the soles of the shoes should be slip-resistant. Keep your footwear in good condition and always clean off your shoes before climbing ladders or getting into vehicles. Grease or slippery shoes can create accidents. Chemical clothing and encapsulating suits are used when there are vapor, gas, and other airborne hazards. When you're engaged in this type of work, more training is necessary to make sure you understand what protection is offered and how to specifically use, handle, and store the equipment. Machine guarding isn't just for one individual, but it could be considered personal protective equipment. Electrical safety devices, lock and tag-out procedures, barriers, warning signs, labels, and hundreds of other safety devices should be considered. Safety isn't just one thing. It's a combination of equipment, procedures, and each individual interacting together to make health and safety a reality. Wearing personal protective equipment when it's required is not only for your protection, it makes good sense to protect your safety and health. Safety glasses can be a pain in the neck because you may not be used to wearing them, or respirators can get uncomfortable from perspiration, or perhaps the straps may not fit just right. Tennis shoes may be more comfortable than leather-top shoes. It may be a hassle not to wear safety glasses under face shields when grinding metal. Gloves may not fit properly, or they're 20 feet away and it's only going to be a short job. You're only going to handle a small amount of chemical, so you neglect to take proper precautions. These are attitudes, but they really don't add up when it comes to you, your family, and to the company. Safety and health are much too important to neglect. When you're required to wear personal protective equipment, then that's the professional thing to do. You won't regret it. Thank you.